Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make mixed vegetables at home. To begin, always select the freshest produce available. This ensures the best flavor and nutritional value for your dish. Next, thoroughly wash all your chosen vegetables. Then, chop them into uniform, bite-sized pieces, aiming for consistency so everything cooks evenly. Finally, gather your essential cooking tools, such as a large skillet, a sturdy cutting board, and a sharp knife, before you start cooking. Now let's talk about cooking. You have several excellent options, including sautéing, roasting, or steaming, depending on your preference. For sautéing, heat 1 to 2 tablespoons of olive oil or butter in a large pan over medium heat. Once hot, add your vegetables. Remember to season generously with a pinch of salt, freshly ground black pepper, and your favorite herbs and spices like garlic powder or dried oregano to build a delicious flavor base. To achieve that perfect tender crisp texture, timing is key. Start by adding your harder vegetables such as carrots, potatoes, or broccoli florets to the hot pan first. Let these cook for about 5 to 7 minutes, allowing them to soften slightly. Then introduce your softer vegetables like bell peppers, zucchini, or mushrooms. Stir everything occasionally to ensure even cooking and to develop a lovely, slight char on some pieces, enhancing their flavor. Continue cooking your mixed vegetables until they reach your desired tenderness, usually for a total of 10 to 15 minutes. They should be tender crisp, not mushy. For a bright finish, squeeze a bit of fresh lemon juice over them or sprinkle with some freshly chopped herbs like parsley or cilantro. Serve your delicious, vibrant mixed vegetables immediately as a fantastic side dish to any meal, or even as a light main course. Enjoy your homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.